In the other incident, a prominent resident of Greenwich town in St. Andrew died in a crash on the Edward Seaga Highway. The incident happened sometime after 7 p.m.
Edwards is counting his blessings as he was the lone survivor in a crash which claimed the life of his friend Akeem Brooks. The two left Greenwich town in St. Andrew for Oteria St. Anne Friday for what they'd hope was a weekend of fun. But on reaching the Unity Valley section of the Edward Seaga Highway, tragedy struck.
Before we leave, both of us buy soup. I was the driver at first. So Brooks actually drink our theme soup. While we reach through the toll, he asked me if I'm not hungry, if I'm not drink my soup. So right away I say, yeah man, I drink my soup. So him asked, say, yeah, alright. Let me drive then and you go and drink your soup. So I say, alright bro. Which I know him is a driver, I regular and borrow my vehicle and drive. So it wasn't no doubt to give him, to hand him the car. So actually I drive, I come now, about 10 minutes after. I realize him take one of the corner bad. So I said, bro, you have to slow down and take them corners, they're kind of rough. Just take your time. Well, we head to the next corner and the car end up just get out of control, start to roll.
Akeem's mother, Cheryl Simpson, says she was at home when she got the news, but she says weeks ago she got a strange dream.
So me seem like me dead in my house and somebody called me and saw my son dead, and when me run on the scene and me see me hug him up and say, Toto, you gone left me, Toto, you gone. You're my lover, you're my friend. You's all in all and me all a ball in my mouth and police them and ease me off.
This was in the dream?
Yeah. You get to me and say, so it's right now, me not feel it like that because it come like it happened already. And it happened now the second time, so the real time this, but me not know till later day, but right now me have to hold it.
Residents of Greenwich Town have been rallying around the family as Akeem was regarded as a peacemaker in the community.
I can't believe it. I'm a brother that. My brother, a big man like me not supposed to cry. That's how it make me feel from where I grew up. I feel.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.